This train where they come, I know they stop. Oh. I know they stop. I know they stop. They see train because of holiday. Say everywhere dry. Because of holiday. Oh. Because of holiday. You see everywhere dry. Not too much train today. Upon say holiday day, train they work, but the time now can they work normal. You can't they work anyhow. So na double train, they double. Na double train. So na double train. This one safe now, not stopping. Now they stop. Now they stop. Holiday. That one don't move. That one is still 2 in 1. Now still double. That one is still double. And here be sending in. Now here be sending in with this one. Now here be sending in, link sending in for Paris. You see train track. Now different train they pass here. Sunday not they stop. Sunday where they stop. When we basically not they stop. If they come, they announce there's a train where they come, so you know they stop. Oh. So stay far from the line where the breeze not carry you. They must announce and they go also announce say if you there any train station for France, they announce and say beware of pocket picker because pocket picker they France well. They announce for all train stations. Say beware of picking pockets because they know say they here. So now so it be. Send an email a day now. Send any.